Hello everyone. So today we want to solve the question for the day 3 in Leetcode. So the problem name is missing number. Okay. So problem name is missing number. So let us read what this problem says. So given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range from 0 to n. Okay. Return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Okay. Follow up. Could you implement a solution using order of one extra space complexity and order of an runtime complexity? Okay, so basically we do not need to use any storage, okay, like vector or something for storing some values. Okay, and let us see the example. Here it is 3 0 1. Okay, and it is in the range of 0 to n. Okay, so there are three and elements, they are distinct elements, and from here you can see 2 is missing, 1 to n, so 2 is missing. From 0 to n basically 2 is missing, so we are just printing that 2 here. Another example can be 0 1, so basically it should be 0 to 2, but now you can see 0 1 is present, 2 is not there, so that's why 2 they are printing. Now in this you can see from 0 to 9, basically there are 9 elements here. Now you can see from 0 to 9 all are present, but except 8 is not present basically, so that's why we're printing 8 here. Okay, so let us discuss how we can solve this. Now let us take this example. So the example is 301. Now you know our norms range from 0 to n, so n here it is 3, so 0 to 3 all elements should be present, but unfortunately 2 is not present. Why not? See, element should be like 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, now here you can see 2 is not present, that's why we are printing 2 here. So how we can do that actually? So the formula which we are going to use is sum of n natural numbers. We are going to find the sum of all the natural number here. Zero number, by adding anything to 0 doesn't make any difference, so we are not we're not basically concerned about that, and we are going to find the sum of all the naturals from 1 to n, and whatever value we are getting from adding all the numbers. So whatever the value for adding all the numbers from in this nums, it will be basically 3 plus 0 plus 1, which is 4. Okay, now whatever the sum of 1 2 3, so the formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so now a sum of three natural numbers from 1 to 3 is basically 3 into 4 divided by 2. Okay, so it basically gives us 6. Now when you're going to subtract this from this, 6 minus 4 equal to 2, which is our solution. Okay, this is our solution here. So let us try to implement that here. So what we are going to do, first will be we are going to declare this answer, okay, as 0, and we are going to simply iterate in nums. How we can iterate? Using our for loop for auto x in nums. What we are going to do, answer plus equal to x. This is how we are going to find the sum of all the elements in the nums. Now we are going to write that formula. Basically that formula, first we are going to make this variable n, so that it will be easier for us to write. So this is basically nums dot size. Okay, now our task is to simply return, what we are going to return n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and we are going to subtract that from our answer. Okay, so let us try to run this code. Okay, so we are getting correct answer. Let us submit this solution. Okay, so it is submitted. So that's it for this video. I hope you got the basic idea of this problem. Basically this is very easy problem. We need to remember this formula, which is nothing but sum of n natural numbers. Okay, so thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video with another problems on the 4th March.